Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for divorce in Ontario. First, you need to understand the two main types of divorce applications, a joint application or a sole application. Next, gather all your essential documents, such as your original marriage certificate and any separation agreements. Carefully complete the necessary court forms, ensuring all information is accurate. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth process, so take your time to get it right. When filing for divorce, you'll choose between a joint or a sole application. A joint application is ideal if you and your spouse agree on all aspects, like property division and child support. If you cannot agree, one spouse will file a sole application. Each type has distinct forms and procedural steps, so it's important to select the one that best fits your situation to avoid delays. Gathering the correct documentation is a critical step. You must provide your original marriage certificate to the court. If you have a separation agreement or any prior court orders regarding support or custody, include those as well. Financial statements detailing your assets, debts, income, and expenses are often required, especially if there are unresolved financial matters. Accuracy here is key. Once all forms are completed, file your application with the Superior Court of Justice in Ontario. If you're filing a sole application, you must properly serve your spouse with the documents. The court will then review your application and may issue a divorce order. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo.Smart speaker and other great deals. This final step brings you closer to a new chapter.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.